Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to know what your zodiac sign is on your iPhone. Really easy and simple to do. So I'm just going to show you guys this website that I usually go to show what your zodiac sign is. It's this one right here called whatismysign.net. I'll have this link in the description as well, just so you can click on it. So all you do once you're on the website is you just want to scroll all the way down till you see where you can put your birthday. And you just want to throw in your birthday really quickly, and then we'll figure out what zodiac sign you are. So, put mine. So it says Sagittarius, names the planet, the English name, a brief little synopsis of basically what the Sagittarius is, and then some famous Sagittariuses, and it'll be the same for yours. So yeah, anyways, I'll leave this in the description if anyone is interested in checking this out. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.